Hello everyone. So let's solve today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is Kth the distinct string in an array. A distinct string is a string that is present only once in an array. Given an array of strings, okay, and integer k, return the kth the distinct string present in ARR. So if there are fewer than k distinct strings, so we have to return an empty string, and the strings are considered in the order in which they appear in the array. So we are given this string. So if we see k is 2, so k is 2 means we have to return the second unique distinct elements in an array. So if we see the occurrences of d is 1, occurrences of b is 2, occurrences of c is 2, and occurrences of a is 1. So there are only two elements which number of occurrences are only 1, which means it these are distinct elements. So we have to return the second distinct elements. So the second element is a, first is d, so it is returning a. And in the second array, if we see, so this k is 1, and here distinct string, all are distinct string. Okay, but we have to return first distinct string. That means we have to return first string. So here it is written triple A. Okay, and here if we see, we have to return third distinct string. So there are only two strings which are unique string, that is distinct string. So there is no third string exist. So here it is returning empty string. So let's solve this question. So we can make use. Okay, so what we have to do, basically we have to count number of occurrences of that string. Okay, here if we see this example, if we have this example, then we have d as 1, we have b as 2, c as 2, and a as 1. Okay, so if we have this data, that is number of occurrences, then we can automatically find out which is the second one. So instead of numbers count, we here what is given, we have to consider only distinct. So we will use a boolean array. So I mean boolean instead of integer or count. So d is only occurring once, so it will be marked as true. It is occurring twice, so it will be marked as false. Then false and true. So you can see the second k is given 2. So that is why second string which has value true, we will return that value. So in Java we will make use of map. So let's code it. So first is string, then we are using boolean. MP is equal to new. We will use a hash map, and we are going to store. Okay, so here use one loop. 0 is less than array dot length I plus plus. Okay, and here if already this exists, mp dot get arr of I is true, that means um, no, it is not true, it is not equal to null. Okay, initially mp that means here this will return true, null, right? Because this element doesn't exist in the map. If it is not null, that means we have already inserted any of the string, and this current string into the map. So what we will do, we will make mp dot put arr of I comma false. Okay, we are assigning false value to it. Next, if it doesn't exist, means we are inserting this string first time only. So mp dot put error of I comma true. Okay, so if we here if we see d, we are inserting first time, so it will get true. Initially b is also true. Okay, but here in this b string, it will check. So already our b is existing in the map, so it will mark it as a false. So we'll get this thing. Okay, so now what we have to do, what we are, here it is said that we have to return the kth distinct string, and the order is in which they appear in the array. So we have to traverse the array in I equal to 0, I less than error dot length I plus plus. Okay, so if mp dot get, okay, get error of I, okay, it will return. If it is returning 2, that means it is a distinct element. So we will decrement our k. So we are given a k, right? So k is 2. So when k is 0, or we can use one variable to count. Okay, so instead of taking another variable, I am decrementing this only. So if I decrement and if I get k is equal to 0, that means this is the kth element. Okay, so we will return what? We will return error of I. Then at the end we will return empty string. Okay. Yeah, you can see accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, our solution got accepted. So this is how we can solve this question, or you can make use of a table instead of a map also. True, false, like array of 26. You can make use of this, and it's like a hash table only, or directly you can use a built-in data structure like map. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.